boys and girls, it's Miss Rachel, and today we are going to do a science experiment. We are going to look at different sounds and different materials. Now boys and girls, what I want you to do is I want you to do it with me. So if you'd like to do this experiment at home, you just need to get a few different things. You need to get some different pots and pans and different materials. We have something made of glass, like a jar, a can, something made of plastic, something made out of wood, and something made out of paper, like this tissue box. Because what we're going to do is we are going to use a pencil, or you can use a drumstick, and we're going to tap on all of these different materials and then listen to the sound they make, because we need to see whether the sound is the same or if it is different. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to listen to all of the sounds together. Are you ready? Okay, let's listen. So show me you're listening. Okay, first we have glass. Can we hear it? Next we have can. Plastic. Wood. And paper. Now we have listened to all the sounds. Do you think you can tell me whether the sounds the same or were they different? Very good. They were all different. They were all different. If we listen to the sounds, we can hear that they are different. So now we're going to listen to the sounds again and see if we can tell which one is loud and which one is quiet. Are you ready? So the first thing we're going to do is look at glass and our can. You ready? Let's listen again to glass. Oh, boys and girls, I think that is a quiet sound. Do you think that's a quiet sound? Now can. Boys and girls, what do you think? Which one is loud? Which one's louder? Very good. I think the can makes a loud sound and our glass makes a quiet sound. Let's listen one more time. Let's listen. Yes, our can is very loud and our glass is quiet. Next, let's try and do plastic and wood. Are you ready? Show me listening. Plastic first. Ooh, that was quite loud. Let's listen to wood. Ooh, the wood is quiet. We can hear plastic is very loud. Let's listen. Can you hear the loud sound? Yes. And now wood. Wood makes a quiet sound. Now the last one we have is paper. Can you tell me, is it loud or quiet? Ooh, one more time. I think our paper makes a little bit loud sound, a little bit quiet sound. What do you think? Is it loud or quiet? I think it's loud. Now, before I let you do all of this at your home, I want to show you something. Because we can make sounds using different things. For example, I have a gong and I have a drumstick. Now, let's listen to the gong and the drumstick and see if we can hear a sound here that is the same. Which which one sounds the same? Is it glass? No. Is it plastic? No. Is it wood? No. Paper, let's try. Not paper. What about can? Let's listen. Oh, boys and girls, I think the gong and the can sound the same. Do you think so? Yes, the gong and the can sound the same. Let's listen again. And that is because they are both made out of the same material. They are both made out of metal. So they sound the same. So, boys and girls, I want you to look around your house and see if you can find things that sound the same and you can find things that sound different. Like Miss Rachel, you can find lots of different materials that sound different and you can see, are they loud or are they quiet? Wow, boys and girls, this was a very fun science experiment. I hope you try this at home. I will see you later. Bye-bye.